Okay guys, super quick update with Bitcoin. I've already got your price tables on the screen. I'm just going to break this down for you on the daily and hourly. We did break up from this pattern. That is bullish. The question is, we're going to come back down and test 100,400. So we're going to cover that as well as the hourly. Guys, if you like this content, leave a like. I really appreciate it. If you want to sign up for Coincatch, guys, the link is pinned in the first comment and description. It is no KYC. If you use a VPN, you can use that to your advantage. It's a tutorial video teaching you how to trade, set up your account, use all the tools. I'll put link this video now if you want to check it out. So 2 videos back, or 1 day ago, talked about the possible bullish pattern we were in, but we could get rejected 100,800. We did. This was my last video. I said we could get a drop down to around 97K. That would be the point to go long. That was near the center Bollinger Band. We pushed up from that point. And then the question was, well, do we break to the upside or get rejected? You see, we did get a rejection. We came all the way down to around 97,300. That was the point I said to go long, 97,000 to 96,000. We pushed up from that point. We broke above this. So the question is, do we push higher or do we drop? So all I know is, look, this is bullish. We're above this point. I did take profit on my long. I'll show you why that's the case. But take note, guys, we get a lot of crazy wicks. So if we come back down and we hold above 100,400, then most likely we're headed up to 108, maybe 111,000. There's a lot of liquidity around 111,000. So I have to pay attention to that. On the hourly, you can see we're in an extreme rising wedge. Let me make this a little bigger so you can see it. This right here, and I kind of adjusted this line, but support. This was resistance, and you can see now we're in this rising wedge. Support, resistance. It looks like we're breaking that level now. So again, I took profit on my long. I'm looking to possibly do a short entry depending on what happens. But your key resistance right now on the hourly to pay attention to is right at 102,698. And just above that, again, it depends on when we make contact. We have not taken out that liquidity at 103K yet. But to me, it looks like we're breaking down from this rising wedge. That's why I took profit on my long. Obviously, we push above 103K and hold a support, then we're going much higher. But to me, it looks like we could be top to see a little downside. Your next key support level on the hourly, see this center Bollinger Band, that's around 101,600. And then your next most strongest key support on the hourly is around 100,000. So we could drop back down to this point and then push up from there. If we break that, well, then we could be headed down to the center Bollinger Band. But again, just want to give you hourly levels just to show you that, it looks like we could have, again, I'm not saying take profit on your long. You do what you want. I'm just showing you why I took profit on my long. And just pay attention and see if this ends up just being a fake out or a wick. If we come back down below 100,400, that was the case. If we hold support, then we're probably headed up to these targets above. Again, a lot of liquidity up around 111K. So if we continue up, that's a target to watch. The DXY, guys, it has been hanging on. We dropped down to 108.5, and you can see we pushed up. So your current major resistance to pay attention to for the DXY is around 109.3. We could get rejected there, and if the DXY continues down, that is bullish for Bitcoin. But this is your most key level for the DXY. So pay attention to see if we get above 109.37 and continue up. Again, that would be bearish for Bitcoin. But just want to show you that, guys. So your current most key resistance is 102,746. Looks like we're breaking down from this wedge. Why I took profit on my long, and possibly looking for short entry to see what happens. But that's pretty much it, guys. Let's just see what happens. But this is a bullish pattern. We did break up from it, so let's see if we continue up. But again, we could get a retrace back down to 100,400. So guys, that's it. If you want to sign up for the charts, links pinned in first comment description. And if you want to sign up for Coincatch, that link's also pinned in first comment description. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.